Hey everyone, Chris over here at Acevacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 304 Evans Road, Northeast, Suite 104. Call us at 703-997-9292. You can also follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, as well as YouTube. So today we're going to talk about one of the backpack vacuums that our company carries. We've sold a lot, and we do carry a lot of different ones like Clean Max and Pro Team and different things like that. But to be honest with you guys, for the amount of cleaning capability, the function of this vacuum, the reliability, the performance, the longevity, we tend and we try to push the Titan backpack. This is the Titan 750. This is one of our top selling backpack vacuums. It comes with the whole complete shoulder strap, the handle, as well as the switch box to be able to use this for both carpet and hardwood floors. You can actually use this as a straight suction backpack, where you just basically have no electric that runs through it for the carpet and hardwood floors and all of your attachments. Or you can buy the kit separately, which makes this fully electric power head to be able to do both carpet, hardwood floors, any level of carpet, from Berber carpet to thick shag carpet. It has a height adjustment on the power head. This thing does a phenomenal job. It works very well. It's super lightweight, and it has a really good price tag on it that's affordable for everybody, whether it's commercial use or residential use. You can use this thing for just dang near about anything. Because we get a lot of customers, obviously, for our commercial use, but also to our residential customers also love having backpacks, especially if they have a lot of hardwood floors and they want something that can just be quick, fast, and easy. Well, this is an option for you. It comes standard with all the attachments you need for all your above floor cleaning, a 50-foot extension cord. It is a very good vacuum, like I said, for a very good price. If you guys like to know more about it, give us a call here or check us out online at www.acevacuums.com. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and continue to watch us and support us. And thank you guys for shopping local.